I know I say I get super excited about boxes, but this one I am super excited about. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. There we go. Now then. Oh, each and every single one of them nicely wrapped. Oh, these are so cool. Sorry, I'm trying to line them up. There's too many here to line up. All right, so there's some clicks in here. Oh, they taped every single one of them. All right, through the power of editing. There we go. So we have these click dispensers. Candy comes out through here. You load your candy in through there. So similar, yet different dispensing mechanism. Similar parts. Channel inside. So there you go. There are two, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and a Santa Claus. Alright, so we will set those aside in the clicks. Oh, these will be sent to Judy. She really does enjoy her bunnies. Not what I wanted, not what I wanted, not what I wanted. Ooh, Icy Bear. Wonder which variation that is. Oh. Let me have these three dispensers here. So they use Scotch tape on it this time. See that little nub? It's actually a hole, I guess I should say. I think there was once a loop there. No IMC, that's the older one. 2.6 Austria, metal head spring. So I'm going to assume that this was an ornament because it is missing that piece right there. All right, moving right along. Oh, here's another bunny. All right, we'll do it this way. And can't be trusted to hold the camera. All right, so right here we see 3-4 Austria, the IMC 2 factory. Yay! With a metal head spring. I like this cool matching inner sleeve. Very cool looking. So there we go. 2. And this is the one I'm really excited about, this third one here. Oh, let's hope. Let us hope. All right, so we have a dark blue ear, some light yellow horns, a nice purple snout, metal head spring. It's a little crooked. On a double IMC. Metal head spring, though. It's not springy at all. Not at all. There you can see these little white marks, these little stress marks. And its cute little smile. This is the Count B. With colored in eyes. Well, that is what was in the box. along with some of these other dispensers here, just some commons. And yeah, really like that one right there. Santa Claus. So until next time.